Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss exercise 2.2 of chapter polynomials. I have already discussed exercise 2.2 question number 1 and question number 2. Today I will discuss question number 3. If you did not check question number 1 and 2, you can check the playlist I have given. So, here question number 3, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Here zeros means roots. Zeros means roots. That means here given x equal to minus 3, if you put the value of x here and if you will get 0, then this will be the 0 or root of the polynomial. So, p of minus 1 by 3, you can write 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 you will get 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Remember this one, this 0 and this one not same. 0 means here root. Number 2, px equal to 5x minus pi, and you have to put the value x equal to 4 by 5. So put x equal to 4 by 5, 5 into 4 by 5 minus pi. Cancel this one. Or x equal to 4 by 5 is not a 0 of the polynomial. Here 0 means root. Number 3, px equal to x square minus 1. Here given x equal to minus 1, x equal to plus 1. So you have to check x for x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1. The value of px is equal to 0 or not. Therefore, p of 1 square minus 1 minus 1 you will get 0. Therefore, x equal to 1 is a root or 0 of px. You can write 0 of px or 0 of the polynomial. Again, p of minus 1 square, you have to put the value of x minus 1. Minus 1 and 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1, you will get plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, you will get minus plus. So 1 minus 1 you will get 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 is a root of px. That means both x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 are the roots of px. Number 4, px equal to x plus 1, x minus 2, x equal to minus 1, 2. So first check for x equal to minus 1. Put values x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 you will get 0. That means 1 minus 1. And here minus 3. So 0 into something means 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 is a root or 0 of px. Again, p of 2. Put the value of x equal to 2. 2 plus 1, 2 minus 2. 3 into 2 minus 2 means 0. That means you will get 0. Therefore, x equal to 2 is a root or 0 of px. Px means polynomial. Number 5, px equal to x cube, x equal to 0. So, you have to check for 0 cube, you will get 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 is a root of px. Here, x equal to minus m by l. Put the values minus m by l. Here l cancel, you will get minus m plus m. That means you will get 0. Minus m plus m or m minus m same thing. So this one 0. Therefore, x equal to minus m by l is a 0 of px. Remember, this 0 and this one not same, this one root. Number 7, px equal to 3x square minus 1. Here given x equal to minus 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3. So put the value x equal to minus 1 by root over 3. So 3 into minus 1 by root over 3 whole square minus 1. 3 into minus square, that means when power is 7, then positive 1 square means 1, root 3 square means 3. Minus 1. This one cancel. You will get 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of px. Is a 0 of px. Again check for x equal to 2 by root 3. Again, p of 2 by root 3 equal to 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1. 3 into 2 square means 4. 4. Root 3 square means 3. Minus 1 cancel. You will get 4 minus 1. 3. Therefore, x equal to 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of px. Number 8, px equal to 2x plus 1, x equal to 1 by 2. So put the values x equal to 1 by 2, p of 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Cancel 2 to 1 plus 1, you will get 2. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 2 is not a 0 of px. Question number 3 is over. Now question number 4. Find the 0 of the polynomial in its cases. So you have to find the 0. For zeros, px should be equal to 0. Let px equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 5 equal to 0 or x equal to minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 is the root or 0 of px. Therefore, x equal to minus 5 is a 0 of px. 0, that means root. Similarly, number 2, let px equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0, or you can write x equal to 5. So, x equal to 5 is a 0 of px. You will write here x equal to 5 is a 0 of px. Similarly, number 3, let px equal to 0 or 2x plus 5 equal to 0 or 2x equal to minus 5 or x equal to minus 5 by 2. Now you have to write here, therefore x equal to minus 5 by 2 is a 0 of px. Similarly, this one, let px equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 3x equal to 2 or x equal to 2 by 3. Number 5, let px equal to 0 or 3x equal to 0, or you can write x equal to 0 by 3 equal to 0. Number 6, let px equal to 0 or ax equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0 given. So you can divide by 0, x equal to 0 by a equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is the root of px. Number 7, let px equal to 0 or cx plus d equal to 0, or you will get cx equal to minus d or x equal to minus d by c. So this is the root or 0 of the polynomial px. So exercise 2.2 is over. I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, Don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.